Helios, what are you doing here?
Hello, teacher. I'm studying plant life.
Helios, I haven't seen you for days. Have you been here this entire time?
Oh, yes, but I'm getting very cold.
Oh my goodness. I'm taking you home right now.
Teacher.
Absolutely not, Helios. Take us back home now.
This feels much better.
After 2 days in a fridge, I'm sure it does.
Yeah, well, I wasn't in a fridge, teacher. I was in a supermarket. I was helping plants grow.
Helios, you do know plants don't grow in supermarkets.
Plants grow in aisle 1. I studied them.
Oh boy. If you're going to be a conservationist, Helios, then it sounds like you need to know just a little more about plants.
But I already knew about plants.
Well, did you know plants can be divided into 2 main parts?
Yes, organic and not organic.
Not quite. Their 2 main parts are the shoots, which are above the soil, and the roots, which are under the soil.
Oh, like the tree. The tree had roots.
Exactly, like our tree lesson. We saw how the tree had roots underground. That's because you need soil for roots. And supermarkets don't have soil, do they? I'm going to show this to you so it's very, very clear.
Okay.
There are 2 main types of roots. The first are called tap roots. Taproot consists of a thick main root with smaller roots growing deep into the soil on either side. Plants like beans, carrots, and mustard all have taproots.
Oh, I saw carrots. I know carrots.
Carrots are very popular in supermarkets. The carrots you saw were actually taproots.
Taproots cost $1.99 a pound.
Good to know. So the other type of root is called a fibrous root. Fibrous roots are made of thin, bushy roots that are closer to the soil's surface. They don't have a main root. Plants with a fibrous root system include grass, wheat, and rice.
Oh, rice. Alton.
Both taproots and fibrous roots anchor the plant to the ground.
Oh, but teacher, you said roots were like straws. Roots suck up nutrients.
Very good memory. You're absolutely correct. Roots do both those things. They anchor a plant to the ground and they absorb nutrients from the soil.
I remembered.
It's very impressive, Helios. Now, I'm sure you must be feeling better.
Yes, I can feel my spark now.
Good, because now that you've learned about roots, I'd like to take you somewhere special to talk about the shoots.
Oh, teacher, it's so glorious.
I'd thought you'd like it. Outside Helios, under the sun, is where the plants grow. And these, right here, are some of the prettiest plants you can find. These are called sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
Now, can you remember anything else from our tree lesson?
Stem. Yeah, this part is the stem.
Excellent. The main part of the shoot is the stem.
It keeps the plant standing tall.
It does. It provides support and carries nutrients and water to all parts of a plant. Leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits all grow on the stem.
These leaves are very big.
They are. And even these leaves have a structure. Like this flat part. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. These lines within the leaf are called veins.
You have veins too.
Excellent connection, Helios. Just like the veins in my body transport blood, the veins in a leaf transport water and nutrients.
Wow.
My. All this sunlight is certainly doing you good.
Yeah, I'm learning so much. I didn't learn all this in the supermarket.
I wonder why.
And it's so much warmer out here. Everything is so green.
Outside is really the place to study plants, Helios. Trust me. Now, this green that you see here in the leaves is because of a plant's chlorophyll.
Oh, chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, and it also helps them absorb sunlight to make food.
Oh, like the tree. The tree couldn't eat apples. It ate sunlight.
Exactly. When we were in the crown of the tree, we were surrounded by its green leaves. The green color was chlorophyll, and it was helping the leaves absorb the sunlight.
Oh, the tree absorbed the sunlight and turned it into food.
Exactly. And that's what this sunflower is doing too. It's what all plants do.
Wow, so plants make their own food.
They can. They're called autotrophs. An autotroph is an organism that makes its own food.
Huh, so autotrophs never have to go to the supermarket.
Never. Autotrophs make their own food.
Wow!
Okay, so the last thing to talk about is this last part right there.
Oh, it's pretty hot.
That is the flower.
Oh,
Beautiful, isn't it?
yeah, the flower looks like the sun. That's why it's called the sunflower.
Exactly. Flowers are really pretty, but they're also very important because many of them actually change into fruits.
Oh,
Like this.
that's a fruit?
It is. And inside this sunflower fruit is a seed.
Seeds? Seeds grow into new plants.
Correct. If I plant this sunflower seed, it'll grow into a new sunflower plant. So, you can see why flowers are as useful as they are beautiful.
Wow, flowers help plants reproduce their own kind.
Exactly.
Huh. Sunflower seeds grow in aisle 9 too.
Helios, sunflower seeds don't grow in aisle 9.
Yes, they do, teacher. I saw them.
Oh my goodness. Helios, look. Everything I've showed you, the roots of a plant in the soil, the shoots of a plant in the sunlight, the flower, the fruit, the seed, how they reproduce. Okay. You know what? I'm going to end this right now. I'm going to show you something that will remove all doubt.
Teacher, are you sure?
Absolutely. Don't be scared now.
Teacher, it's cold again.
Well, we're underground, Helios. We're packed into the dirt.
I don't know if I like this. I can't move.
You can't, and neither can I. But this seed can. We're down here to watch this seed grow, or, as scientists say, the process of germination.
Who?
Germination. The process of a seed turning into a baby plant is called germination.
But there's no light down here. How could
Germination?
germination happen?
That's a very good question. We have to look inside the seed to find the answer. So, first, seeds have a protective outer covering, just like our skin, called the seed coat. Now, inside the seed is the embryo, which contains the roots, stem, and leaves for the baby plants to grow. So, to answer your question, the seed already has everything it needs to germinate.
Oh, it has food?
It does. Food is stored in something called the cotyledons.
Cotyledons.
Cotyledons, very good.
Huh, they're like a supermarket full of food?
Well, kind of. They contain the seed's food, so yeah.
Wow!
Now, there are 4 stages to a plant's life cycle. We're in the first one, the seed stage. So, the seed is planted, then it gets watered, and it starts to grow into a small sprout. Let's watch. Okay, so now we've reached the second stage of the plant's life cycle, the sprout stage.
That's a sprout?
Yep, that's a sprout. The sprout then grows further into a seedling.
These worms are poking me.
Those aren't worms. Those are the 3 parts of a seedling. The radicle, which is the baby root, the hypocotyl, which is the baby shoot, and the cotyledons, which become the seed leaves.
Teacher, they keep growing.
Well, that's part of the plant's life cycle. Roots start growing deep into the ground. A stem starts stretching through the soil, and then the plant starts growing leaves towards the sunlight.
Huh. Oh, it's taking me into the light.
Oh. Well, it certainly took you into the light, Helios. This is the third stage of the plant life cycle, the small plant stage.
I like the small plant stage.
Me too. But there is one more, the adult plant stage. Now, when the plant becomes an adult, it blooms into beautiful flowers, vegetables, or fruit.
Like apples.
Yeah, this entire process from the seed stage to the sprout stage to the baby plant stage to the adult plant stage, this whole process is called the plant's life cycle.
Life cycle, like recycle.
Sort of. Recycle means things get used over and over. Life cycle means life stages get repeated over and over. So, yeah.
Because plants grow, change, reproduce, and die.
Exactly.
And they grow, change, reproduce, and die.
Yes, very good, Helios.
Yeah, and again, they grow, change, reproduce, and die.
Helios...
But teacher, with so many babies and so many adults, that's a very big family.
It is. Oh, and just like in your family, you might get things from your mum, like your eye color or your smile, and baby plants inherit traits from their parents.
Wow, that's a trait?
It is. Or another trait is when things we can see with our eyes, things like patterns on a leaf or the color of the fruit, these are called morphological changes.
Oh, so I can see a plant's morphological changes.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, Helios, with all this information I've given you, the life cycle of plants, the stages, how baby plants inherit traits from their parents, are you starting to see how complex plants are?
Yes, very complex.
And, Helios, are you starting to see how a supermarket might not provide everything a plant needs to grow?
But teacher, if plants do grow outside, then how do they get around? I see plants everywhere, but they don't have legs.
Very good question, Helios. Plants don't have legs, but they do have nature. They have birds that eat their seeds and spread them. They have animals that get seeds caught in their fur. Wind moves seeds around, and so does water. Some plants even send their seeds straight into the air.
Whoa!
Whoosh! There they go. The process of moving seeds is called seed dispersal, but it's very important.
Seed dispersal.
Seed dispersal is just another way plants continue their life cycles outside.
Wow, teacher, I think you changed my mind.
Nice. So you believe me now? Plants grow outside?
No,
Oh,
you changed my mind about my new favorite thing.
what was your first favorite thing?
Trees.
And what's your new favorite thing?
Plants.
Oh. Well, Helios, a tree is a plant.
What?
Well, yeah, you can like trees and plants equally because a tree is in fact a plant.
But can other plants help humans the way a tree can?
You mean, do other plants have as many uses as a tree has? Yeah, absolutely. You don't believe me. Well, Helios, if you want another lesson, we can do another lesson, but, yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah,